Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 9th episode about JavaScript basics. In the previous episode, we worked on operator precedence, and today we'll work on string. String are text such as hello world, any name, title or address. Now let's get started. So open your text editor and open the 9th folder, string. Open start and main.js. First, let's create a variable and assign it to a string using single quote. Here we can say hello world, and we can use console.log and message. To check the preview, open your browser, open the developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. Now you can see hello world over here. We can also assign string using double quotes. So let's create another variable and use double quote for string. We can write hello world again. Use console.log message2. Refresh the page, and here you can see hello world again. So far, we can't see any quotes at the moment, either single quote or double quote. To show quotes or any other special character, we have to use escape sequence. First, let's create a variable and assign it to a string using double quote. Again, let's use hello world, but if you want to show double quote in this world, you have to use backslash double quote. Again, you have to use backslash double quote. Now let's use console.log message3. Refresh the page, and this time you can see hello world inside a quote. Finally, let's work on backtick. So first, let's create a variable and assign it to a string using backtick instead of single or double quotes. Over here, you can write any word, hello for example. The good part of using backtick is we can use interpolation. Let's create another variable, first name, and assign it to a value called Vivek. Now, we can use this variable inside this string easily using $ and curly braces. Inside this curly braces, we have to add the variable name, which is first name. Now, if you console log message4, you should see hello Vivek as a result in console. Refresh the page and you should see hello Vivek over here. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on manipulating string. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.